Watch this massive Russian Kamaz heavy truck, loaded with logs, slowly approach the river's edge, ready for a daring crossing. Now it plunges in, navigating the shallow waters with power and precision, waves splashing against its tires. It emerges safely on the other side, but wait, here comes another Kamaz, facing a fiercer current. The truck dives into the raging river, battling strong waves that threaten to topple it and spill the log cargo. The driver focuses intensely, steering steady to avoid disaster. Against all odds, it conquers the torrent and reaches dry land triumphantly.